Hi friends, Victor Costa, peace, love, and muscles. Hope you're doing well. I'm going to show you how to prepare my favorite chicken dish. It's extremely easy, doesn't take a lot of preparation at all, and let's get right into it. Peace, love, and muscles. So I start off with Bell & Evans boneless chicken breast, 100% air chilled, no retained water. You can see here it's raised without antibiotics. It's freezer safe. This whole tray is freezer safe, all natural, fed on a vegetarian diet. This is really high quality chicken breast. This is really pretty much one of the only products I use. I get it at Whole Foods. And I absolutely love it. I can promise you this is extremely high quality chicken. It already comes butchered. So I do a little, what my wife calls sink butchery, when I take a little bit of the fat off the edges in the sink. I put it in these trays, and these trays are trays when we had Thanksgiving catered, and it's just like a little tin tray, and then I line it with aluminum foil so that I can throw the foil out later. I rinse the chicken breasts off in the sink. My grandmother would probably be upset about how I do that, because she'd want these things completely bathed in salt and vinegar and all these other things. But I just rinse them off. I scrub them, if you will. The calluses on my hands almost create like a manufactured scrub brush. But I do rinse these off very, very well when I pull them out of their of the package. And then I am ready to season these. The first thing we're going to do, though, is we're going to set the oven to bake 400 degrees. And that's it. So what we're gonna do is, I just cooked eggs a little bit ago. We're gonna let this go to 400 degrees. We're gonna preheat the oven. Now we're gonna season our chicken breast, and you're gonna see how simple this is. Now we're gonna season the chicken breast with Morton's iodized salt, just a little bit. And I don't like to use this to pour it out and sprinkle it. For me, that's too much. I run the risk of pouring the entire container of salt all over my chicken breast. So what I do is I pour it in my hand first. P.S. my hands are very clean. And then I sprinkle it like this over my chicken breasts. Like so. Then, I absolutely love this. I don't know if you guys have tried Old Bay seasoning. It's for seafood, salads, poultry. You could put it on just about anything. I even thought about putting it on eggs, but I haven't done that. There's two spouts here. One has the little holes, so I can kind of control how much is going to go over this, but this is going to be my seasoning. And they use this a lot on the cooking shows, but it's absolutely terrific for chicken. I'm going to put this with the little spout, and I'm just going to pat these until they're coated, and I'll show you what this looks like. I want to make sure the chicken is covered, but I don't want to have it kind of clumped up. If you're not really great at sprinkling this or skilled at doing that, you can take a fork later on and kind of smooth it around. So this is pretty much it, guys. We're going to put the oven at 400 degrees, and we're going to bake this chicken for 45 minutes. Very simple. I'm going to set the timer on the microwave. I can go do push-ups, sit-ups, call my mother. There's a million things I can do, and in 45 minutes this is going to come out, and you're going to see how it looks. It's going to be outstanding. Peace, love, and muscles. See you in 45 minutes. Time's up. Let's see what this chicken looks like. Absolutely stunning. Can you see it, guys? Absolutely beautiful. And here's what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. Absolutely delicious, tender, juicy, and I'm going to enjoy it right now. Peace, love, and muscles, guys. I'll put the recipe in the description portion of the video. I love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ding the little bell so that you're alerted to new videos as they come up. And don't forget to click in the description portion of this video for my free muscle building webinar. I think you'll absolutely love it. Peace, love, and muscles.